So
shifted to be more active.
I think we'll take this camera, we'll take my camera, and I've taken a couple lenses, but I'm not going to take them all. We're going to go for a bike ride.
And a bag with cardboard.
Yeah, let's not forget that.
Keep on going. I'll get out of your way. I don't know. This is in-state maintenance. I don't know, maybe. I feel like we're still getting down to the river. Like we have to be as we go down. As long as you don't mind pedaling back up. I know. Up to you. Okay. She wants to try it. I think it's time we find some sticks so we can go make dinner. I think lunch might turn into dinner.
Probably. Maybe we can have a side salad with our shish kebabs.
Maybe we can have
A salad
whatever
for
we want,
appetizer.
and then we can have whatever we want else tomorrow.
Okay, fine.
So, we're on a mission to find sticks right now because if we don't find sticks, we can't power up our BioLite stove, which is a really cool stove that we got so that we can cook our food without using white gas or propane or anything like that, anything that you would have to bring with you. So it makes it really convenient when it didn't just rain for the past week.
Walking flip-flops and I bought my clothes at the local thrift shop. I wouldn't be late if I looked at the clock, but I'd rather spend time than buy a wristwatch, Ziploc, keep it fresh, red hot, should be
This is our bag of sticks that we've collected so far. Hopefully that'll be enough. It didn't really look like a lot. This is a wide angle though, so bear with me. I'm hoping it'll be enough.
Where is my mind? I just don't know. Life goes so fast and it goes too slow. Had to join the band to discover the flow. Hey yo, I got 2 tickets to the rock show. Dead center front row. I wanna take you out.
So, I said that it was gonna suck when we started going back up the hill. And I almost fell. That's because it does suck. This sucks. Up lots of hills. I think mountain biking should be solely a downhill sport, just like snowboarding with lifts that always carry you back up the hill.
To the daylight come and I break off to find a girl so I can sing a love song in the ear and tell her where we go from here. If the guitar play, baby, let's drive. Forget the bad days, think about the good times. Make love every night like the first night.
That wasn't so bad. No, not compared to the first one. Made that. I think our cabin trail is coming up, so you can take that right to the cabin, and then we'll be making some food on the BioLite with the sticks that we found in the woods, which we need to find more, only if we want to eat more, she says.
Take you out to the rock show, baby. Make you understand what makes me. And if you want, I will go crazy for you.
The trigger or the thumb?
I said switching gears.
Oh, I thought you said gears. I was just picking up the one that was full.
You did
That was delicious. My brain tried to trick myself.
You can have some of mine.